Losing important photos by mistake can be stressful, especially if they contain special memories, work files, or family moments. The good news is that most Android smartphones come with a built-in recovery feature that allows you to restore recently deleted photos without installing any additional apps. If your photos were deleted recently, there's a good chance you can recover them in just a few minutes. Start by opening your phone's default gallery or Photos app. Once the app is open, tap the menu icon, which is usually displayed as three dots or three horizontal lines in the top right or bottom right corner of the screen. From the menu, look for an option called Trash, Recycle Bin, Recently Deleted, or Bin. Different Android brands may use slightly different names, but they all serve the same purpose. After opening the trash folder, you'll see all the photos and videos that were recently deleted. These files are not permanently erased right away. Instead, they remain in the trash for a limited period, usually 30 to 60 days, depending on your device and Android version. Scroll through the folder and locate the images you want to recover. Next, tap and hold the photo you wish to restore. You can also select multiple photos if you need to recover more than one. Once you've made your selection, tap the Restore button. Within a few seconds, your deleted photos will be returned to their original album in the gallery. Now, go back to your main gallery or photos screen. You'll notice that the restored images have reappeared in their original location. Some devices even display a confirmation pop-up letting you know the recovery was successful. That's it. Your deleted photos should now be safely restored to your Android gallery. If this guide helped you, share it with others and keep regular backups to protect your precious memories from accidental loss.